My name is Joe Volta. I am one of the co-owners of a law firm called Chandler Volta. We are based out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we primarily service clients in North and South Carolina, all over both states. One of my favorite features for EvenUp has to deal on the litigation side of my practice, and that's when using the MedChrons. And I love that feature the most in litigation because it clearly outlines my client's prior medical history all the way up through their collision and their current medical history, and all while being aesthetically pleasing. And it even has a calendar feature with bolded and highlighted dates of the prior medical treatment, clearly defined date of incident, and their post-medical treatment from that date of incident. And it makes it very clear and time-saving to go through those records when preparing for depositions or entering mediation. You have all the information you need at your fingertips as opposed to tabbing medical records and doing your own outlines. And so that's probably a great time saver for myself and my firm when it comes to the litigation side of our practice. We recently had a case in the pre-litigation phase that we weren't getting an offer that we thought was reasonable for the client. Ultimately, we filed suit, and we used the MedChron feature through EvenUp to help us look at prior medical history, and it's all charted out and graphed out to really drill down on the issues for our client, making sure we're aware and no surprises. And then ultimately, through using those MedChrons and everything, we were able to actively figure out a best value for that case. And ultimately, through the litigation process, we 4x'd the initial pre-lit offer by the end of litigation, and we settled the case recently at mediation. So one of the big benefits of the medical chronologies was it helped me actively figure out a true case value for my case. Every attorney wants their case to be worth $1 million, $10 million, $50 million. However, in this particular instance, because I used the MedChron feature, I was able to really drill down on my client's prior pain in knowing that it was an exacerbation case as opposed to a new injury case. And so having that feature and that ease of reviewing medical records through the medical chronologies that EvenUp did for our firm, it was really beneficial to making sure I didn't overvalue my case. I would say as an attorney, my time is extremely valuable in the sense of there are a lot of things in my job as an owner-operator of a firm that have to be done. Anyone in your organization, no matter how you're structured as a law firm, whether you have attorneys drafting demands or you have team members drafting demands, that it's very easy to use. I would liken it to, you could teach a high school kid with no legal experience how to use the portal because everything is broken out and clearly outlined of what needs to go where. And then when it comes to uploading of documents, so EvenUp can use the AI technology and their team members to help your law firm. So if I had to say there was one thing that I love most about EvenUp, I would say that it's the time that it saves me in getting my job done.